Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder at home. First, gather your base ingredients. Think about using things like rolled oats, various nuts, and different seeds. These provide a great foundation for your homemade powder. Selecting high-protein options, such as almonds or pumpkin seeds, will boost the nutritional value. Remember, ensuring all your ingredients are completely dry is crucial for a smooth powder. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to blend. Use a high-speed blender to achieve a very fine, consistent powder. Start with short bursts and gradually increase the blending time. Now, for flavor. Natural additions like unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, or even a pinch of cinnamon can make a big difference. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a small amount of natural sweetener like stevia works well. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your homemade protein powder. Always store it in an airtight container to prevent moisture absorption. A cool, dark pantry or cupboard is ideal for keeping it fresh for several weeks. When you're ready to use it, simply add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup to your favorite smoothie, yogurt, or even oatmeal for an extra protein boost. It's a versatile addition to many meals. The beauty of homemade protein powder is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various combinations of nuts, seeds, and even some dried fruits for different flavors and textures. You can also boost the nutritional profile by adding superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or a touch of spirulina powder. This allows you to tailor it perfectly to your dietary needs and taste preferences. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.